Are you tired of wasting hours analyzing data manually? What if I told you there is a magical tool in Excel that can summarize thousands of rows in just seconds? Today I am going to teach you how to use pivot tables like a pro. And trust me, by the end, you will be able to analyze data 10x faster than before. So hit that like button and let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our data. We have an Excel sheet with sales transaction including date, region, product, salesperson and revenue. Now, let's turn this raw data into valuable insights using a pivot table. To insert a pivot table, select your data, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Here, choose New Worksheet and hit OK. Now let's start analyzing. Let's find out how much revenue each region generated. Drag the region field to the rows area and the revenue field to the values area. And Excel instantly summarizes total sales per region. Want to focus on a specific product or salesperson? Just drag them into the filter section and now you can view the data based on your selection. You can also sort the highest to lowest revenue in just one click. Data is powerful, but visuals make it even better. Click on Pivot Chart, select a bar or pie chart, and there you go, an interactive dynamic report in just seconds. Do you want a more interactive way to filter data? Use slicers. Go to the Insert tab, click Slicer, and select Product. Now you can filter your pivot table with just one click. Let's add some magic. Use conditional formatting to highlight top performing regions in green and low performing ones in red. This makes your analysis even clearer. And that's a wrap on mastering pivot tables. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more game-changing Excel tips. If you have any questions or topic requests, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.